on these belts. Our streamlined process guarantees the highest quality output.
The journey begins in the sugarcane farm, where soil is meticulously prepared to nurture the raw source of our pure golden gur blocks.
Sugarcane growth for pure golden gur blocks starts here.
Sugarcane sets are planted carefully in prepared furrows, beginning the cultivation phase for our pure golden gur blocks.
Check the pressure on line 4. Looks good here, flow is steady.
Making sure it reaches the new growth.
The purity levels look good on the scanner. We should maintain this pace for the gur blocks.
Continuous monitoring of crop growth guarantees optimal conditions for sugarcane used in pure golden gur blocks.
Additional nutrients are applied to enhance sugarcane development, key to producing pure golden gur blocks. Pruning removes excess foliage, improving sugarcane health for superior pure golden gur blocks.
Regular pest inspections and controls protect the sugarcane, ensuring purity in our golden gur blocks.
Harvest equipment is prepared meticulously to efficiently gather sugarcane for pure golden gur blocks. The harvest commences as machines cut mature sugarcane, the first step in sourcing for pure golden gur blocks. Stalks are bundled securely for easy handling in the journey to pure golden gur blocks. Harvested sugarcane is transported swiftly to the modern factory to begin processing into pure golden gur blocks.
Upon arrival at the factory, sugarcane undergoes initial checks before entering the production line for pure golden gur blocks.
Incoming sugarcane is weighed to track inventory and ensure quality control for pure golden gur blocks.
Bring it up, easy.
Watch the conveyor, lower it slowly now.
All right, clear.
Laboratory tests assess sugarcane quality, ensuring only the best is used for pure golden gur blocks.
Sugarcane stalks are washed meticulously to remove any residues before processing into pure golden gur blocks.
Stalks are cut to optimal sizes, readying them for efficient juice extraction in pure golden gur blocks manufacturing. The first set of rollers crushes the sugarcane, releasing the sweet juice essential for pure golden gur blocks. A second pressing extracts more juice from the sugarcane, maximizing yield for pure golden gur blocks.
The third roller ensures maximum juice extraction, leaving dry bagasse behind for pure golden gur blocks production. Extracted sugarcane juice is collected in tanks, ready for the next stage in creating pure golden gur blocks.
Initial filtration removes large impurities from the juice, purifying it for pure golden gur blocks. Clarification agents are added to the juice, helping remove impurities for high-quality pure golden gur blocks.
Impurities settle at the bottom, allowing clear juice to be separated for pure golden gur blocks.
Floating scum is skimmed off, further purifying the sugarcane juice for pure golden gur blocks.
Secondary filtration polishes the juice, ensuring it's pristine for concentration into pure golden gur blocks.
Purified juice is transferred to boiling pans, where concentration begins for pure golden gur blocks. The juice is initially heated, preparing it for concentration in the production of pure golden gur blocks.
Vigorous boiling concentrates the juice, evaporating water to form the base for pure golden gur blocks.
Continuous stirring ensures even concentration of the juice during boiling for perfect pure golden gur blocks. Temperature is closely monitored during boiling to achieve the ideal consistency for pure golden gur blocks.
Emerging scum is skimmed off during boiling, keeping the concentrate pure for golden gur blocks.
The boiling continues until the syrup reaches the perfect consistency for forming pure golden gur blocks. The concentrated syrup is transferred to the cooling area, preparing for molding into pure golden gur blocks. Initial cooling thickens the syrup, setting the stage for shaping pure golden gur blocks. Stirring during cooling ensures a uniform texture in the gur mass for pure golden blocks. The thickened gur is poured into molds, forming the iconic pure golden gur blocks. Molds are pressed to achieve the perfect shape and density for pure golden gur blocks. Molded gur cools in controlled chambers, solidifying into durable, pure golden blocks. Gur blocks undergo final drying to achieve the ideal texture and longevity. Blocks are graded by their golden color, maintaining consistency in pure gur products. Pure golden gur blocks are automatically packaged to preserve freshness. Packages receive labels, readying pure golden gur blocks for distribution. Packaged gur blocks are boxed securely for bulk handling. Boxes are palletized, preparing pure golden gur blocks for storage and transport. Palletized gur blocks are transported to the warehouse for safe storage. Inventory is logged meticulously, tracking every batch of pure golden gur blocks. Pallets are prepared for shipment, ensuring timely delivery of pure golden gur blocks. Trucks depart the factory, carrying pure golden gur blocks to their destinations. In the final review, the pure golden gur blocks are confirmed for their exceptional quality and taste.
Bagasse, the fibrous byproduct, is collected for use as fuel in the factory, supporting sustainable pure golden gur blocks production. Crushing machines are cleaned regularly to ensure hygiene in pure golden gur blocks manufacturing.
pH levels of the juice are tested to optimize clarification for pure golden gur blocks. In the first boiling stage, evaporation begins to concentrate the juice for pure golden gur blocks. Mid-concentration boiling deepens the color and thickness of the syrup for pure golden gur blocks. The final boiling stage achieves the thick syrup needed for molding pure golden gur blocks. Initial cooling spreads the syrup evenly for uniform pure golden gur blocks. As it cools further, the mass thickens, preparing for molding into pure golden gur blocks. A final stir during cooling ensures the ideal texture for pure golden gur blocks. Molds are prepared and lined for filling with the gur mass. Molds are filled with the first layer of gur mass for even blocks. A second layer is added to build the full gur block structure. Molds are filled completely and smoothed for perfect pure golden gur blocks. The first cooling phase hardens the surface of the gur blocks. Deeper cooling firms the core of the pure golden gur blocks. Final cooling solidifies the gur blocks completely, ready for demolding.
Post-demolding, blocks are checked for integrity in pure golden gur production. Batch codes are applied for traceability of pure golden gur blocks. Blocks are placed on drying racks to remove any residual moisture.
Drying is monitored to achieve optimal moisture levels in gur blocks. Post-drying inspection confirms the perfect texture of pure golden gur blocks. Blocks are sorted by size for consistent pure golden gur products.
The packaging line is set up for wrapping pure golden gur blocks.
Each gur block is individually wrapped for protection. Wrapped blocks are grouped into larger packs for convenience. Pack seals are checked to ensure freshness of pure golden gur blocks.
Labels are applied to packages, providing essential information for pure golden gur blocks.
Production dates are coded on packages for traceability. Packages are filled into boxes with precise counting. Boxes are sealed to protect the contents during transport.
Boxes receive labels for identification in distribution.
Pallets are wrapped to secure the load for shipping. Inventory is scanned and updated for accurate tracking.
Pallets are picked according to orders for distribution.
Pallets are prepared at loading docks for outgoing trucks.
Loads are secured in trucks to prevent damage during transport.
Shipment documentation is completed for the pure golden gur blocks.
Trucks are sealed for secure delivery of gur blocks. Final gate checks ensure all is in order for departure. Samples are archived for quality records of pure golden gur blocks.
The factory floor is cleaned to maintain standards.
Machines are maintained to ensure smooth operations.
Workers receive ongoing safety training.
Energy use is monitored for efficient production. Waste is recycled to minimize environmental impact.
Final product is analyzed in the lab for quality assurance.
The final product is displayed for visual review. Taste testing confirms the rich flavor of pure golden gur blocks. Nutritional content is analyzed to meet standards. Shelf life tests ensure long-lasting quality.
Everything is in order.
Yes, certified pure golden gur blocks.
The purity levels are unprecedented. Look at the crystallization.
And the moisture content across the batch?
Perfectly within spec, it passes final review.